Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. In today's video, we are going to see membership operators in Python. So, what are the membership operators? These operators are generally used with lists and sequences, and it is used to find that whether the element is present in the list or the given sequence or not. For checking this, we have two types of operators. First is in and second is not in. Let us start with in operator. What in operator says that it checks whether a character, a substring, or an element is present in the sequence or not. So I'll make you understand this with an example. So I have created two lists over here. I have named first list as list number 1, and I have entered the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in it, and I have created a second list as list 2, and I have entered the value 6, 7, 8, 9 in it. So for checking this, we will use an if statement. So I have given a condition like if the number 8 in list 2, that means if the number 8 is present in the list 2, then the loop will print true, else it will print false. So let us check this program. So you can see that number 8 is present in list 2, so we will get an output at true. Similarly, if I change this number with the number present in list 1 and which is not present in list 2, then it will give us a false value. See over here, we are getting a false output. So this was about in operator. So what not in operator says that it evaluates to true if it doesn't find a variable in the specified sequence or false otherwise. It is opposite to in operator. In operator checks whether it is there or not. Not in operator checks whether the variable is not in that sequence or not. So I'll just change this if statement in not in. So when I type not in, it will give us a true value because 1 is the number which is not present in list 2. So we are expecting a true output over here, and we are getting a true output. Similarly, if I change the list to list 1, and then our condition becomes if 1 not in list 1, that is if 1 is not present in list 1, print true, else print false. Then if we run the program, we will get in an false value because 1 is present in list 1. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. If you have any queries, please contact me in the comment section. I'll solve your query. Thank you for watching video. Stay tuned for our next videos.